I have now just launched a new binary option robot that you also can get completely for free today at Google Play Store. That is Alpha One Bot. It's a binary option robot trading at expert option. Minimum deposit to use this binary option robot is $20. And I have added a promo code that will be live for a few more days, where you get 150% on your first deposit. So make sure you use it. You find link about the video with the promo code at X, and the same at YouTube below the video. So let's take a look here now. We will now choose up here. So just wait a little minute. He will now open everything he needs here at expert option. So we just need to wait for that. You can see it's a little more simple, this one. You just have 3 buttons in the top. You basically don't need more. So you can see now we are on a real account, but we can also, if you want to, you just push demo there and you can change for demo in the button, but we are going to keep it on real. So let's keep it there. Let's make sure we have the best pair. Actually, right now, Football Index is the one that pays the most. So let's select that one there. Then we are on Football Index. Then we push now show in the top menu. I will take $120 trades. I will take a profit target of 300. We are going to use 5 steps on the martingale. I will use Nebula Trend. I have some very cool names I did come up with this binary option robot, as you can see here. It's some of my best strategies. I wanted it to be brand new, and I did take all the information from all the trades and everything I got from all the 3 months I have had Pocket Option Auto Trader live, because it's more than 1,000 people have traded on demo and on real. So I got quite a lot of information and I have added all this into this binary option robot. So this one is killer. Okay, so if you want this one also, like I said, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now let's start up the bot and let's see how we do. So we are now starting. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. By the way, we got our first win right away. We are now $106 in profit. You see here now our trade is open and we got one more win. $213 is going super faster now. One more trade open is a buy trade also. If this one turned up, there you have it. He did in few seconds, he made me $320. So now we can just go over here. You see my balance is rising. For the ones that is interesting to see that type of things. We are now just waiting for him to load. And now the new balance you can see up there. So we got our beautiful 3 wins. So amazing. So if you want this binary option robot and get started today also, you just need to deposit more than $20, but you get 150% on your first deposit using the promo code Alpha150. This will just be for a few more days, so take advantage. So make your first deposit count, because this is more like a lunch bonus I give you all. So make sure you use it. Okay? Link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.